Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 19 from the chapter of Units and Measurements. The topic is the calculation of the solid angle, and based on this topic I have taken two very simple questions based on what we have studied in the last two sessions. So the first question is, find the solid angle subtended by the imaginary sphere of radius 0.5 meter at the center of a hollow sphere. So this is this hollow sphere. At the center of the hollow sphere of radius 1 meter. So this is a hollow sphere, and this is an imaginary sphere which I have depicted here with the help of dotted lines. So the radius of this imaginary sphere is 0.5 meter and the radius of the hollow sphere is 1 meter. Now in the previous session we have studied and we have learned that the solid angle subtended by a spherical surface at the center of the sphere is equal to 4 pi. Now here the solid angle which will be subtended by this hollow sphere at the point O will be equal to 4 pi. So the solid angle which will be subtended by this imaginary sphere at this point O will be, or we can simply say that the surface area of the hollow sphere is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square is the surface area of the hollow sphere, and this corresponds to the solid angle of 4 pi steradian. So the imaginary sphere which has got a surface area of 4 pi small r will subtend the solid angle which will be equal to 4 pi divided by 4 pi r square into 4 pi r square. So ultimately the value will be equal to 4 pi into, now here the value of r is equal to, that is small r is the radius of the imaginary sphere, which is equal to 0.5 meters, which is equal to 1 by 2 meter, and r is equal to 1. So this is equal to, r will be equal to 1 by 2 whole square, so this is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 1. So this will be equal to pi. So the solid angle which will be subtended by this imaginary sphere which is inside this hollow sphere of radius 1 meter will be equal to pi steradian. The unit of this solid angle is steradian, so this will be equal to pi SR, where SR is the symbol of steradian. So this was the first question. Now in the second question we have to find the solid angle subtended by the base of the cone at the vertex A. So here the solid angle subtended by the base of the cone is at the vertex of it will be equal to 2 pi 1 minus cos alpha, where alpha is the vertex angle. So here I have to find, first of all, find the alpha is half of the vertex angle. So first of all I will find the value of alpha. So this is alpha. Now here the height of this cone is equal to 4 meter and the length, the slant height is equal to 8 meter. So the value of cos alpha will be equal to, based upon hypotenuse, that is 4 by 8. So cos alpha will be equal to 1 by 2, or we can say that the solid angle subtended by the base of this cone at the vertex A, this will be equal to 2 pi 1 minus the cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to 2 pi into 1 by 2, this is equal to pi steradian. So the solid angle subtended by the base of the cone at the vertex in this case will be equal to pi steradian, and the solid angle subtended by the imaginary sphere of radius 0.5 meter at the center of this hollow sphere will also be equal to pi steradian. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session now, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic of solid angles. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.